Well, when you start talking about the timing for filing a medical malpractice lawsuit in North Carolina, for example, you have a couple different time limits in play. One's the 3-year statute of limitations. The other one is the 4-year statute of repose. That's deceptively simple because it's often very difficult to tell when the statute starts. Sometimes it's very easy. Sometimes in cases of continued treatment, for example, delayed diagnosis, it can be very difficult to determine when the statute starts. And so the 3 and the 4-year limitation periods are just starting points, general rules that you use to start the analysis. Then in South Carolina, you generally have the 3-year statute of limitations, but if it has a sufficient government relation to the facility, then you may be under the Tort Claims Act, which has a 2-year statute of limitations. And so the limitations periods can be very difficult, very complex, and complicated to analyze. So the key takeaway, the practical point is, don't wait. Call an attorney now. Call us now. We'll be glad to talk to you about your situation, thoughts about timeliness of any claims you may have, and do an evaluation. So the key thing, again, is don't wait. It's a complicated issue and very dire consequences, obviously, if you miss the statute, because then your claim is barred.